Well, hey there, sugar boogers.
Sugar bear?
No, I said sugar boogers.
Oh, in the video.
It's my new intro. Hey, sugar boogers. So today I'm going to be baking a cake that I actually seen on Facebook. I think it was called like Mama's Strawberry Sweet Cake or something like that. I mean, I got the inspiration from it, but I'm not actually following the exact directions. Wish I was though, because it's probably 100 times better the way they made it. But their recipe called for milk, and y'all know I'm lactose intolerant, I can't have milk. So I did water instead. Basically, I just used a white cake mix, and I followed the directions on the back, which called for oil and water. But like I said, they used milk, so I used water instead. And they also just used fresh strawberries, but girl, I ain't had time for that, so I used frozen. But I let them set out and thaw for a little bit, so it's all good. But anyways, let's get to this video. The cake's not even done yet, so I don't even know how it turned out. I'm kind of scared, but let's see how this goes. So this is pretty much everything that's gonna be going in the cake and the icing. I got some eggs here. I got some butter, you know I love me some butter. I got some strawberry jello, some white cake mix, powdered sugar, and frozen berries. So basically the first thing you're gonna do is put your white cake mix in a bowl, girl, just like this one. Do you see this bowl? And now empty the strawberry jello packet into the bowl of cake mix. Then basically just follow the directions on the box. You know, add your oil, your eggs, and your water. I'm gonna add these 3 little eggs. And when I cracked the eggs into the mixture and seen that it was turning red, it made me so sick because it looked like blood. Ugh, disgusting. Okay, let's just not think about that. Anyways. Now you just mix your cake mix together. Like I said, just go by the directions on the cake box. We're gonna bake this at 350. Now I'm taking these frozen berries. There's strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. I'm just chopping them up, throwing them in my cake mix, mixing it up real good. Now I'm tasting the raw cake mixture. Oh, it's so good. Oh yes, girl. Wait, seriously, are you judging me right now? So here it is, it's finally done. Oh, it's still warm. So now for the icing, we're gonna take some powdered sugar. And basically you're just gonna mix powdered sugar with some melted butter, and then your berries, which I actually put in the microwave to kind of warm them up and make them not as frozen anymore. And honestly, I didn't measure the powdered sugar or the butter. I probably should have, but I just kind of winged it, you know. I added more powdered sugar as I went. I would taste it and be like, ew, this needs more powdered sugar. So that's pretty much how I made the frosting. You know, there's 2 types of girls in this world. One that waits for this to cool down to ice it, and one who's impatient like me and tries to ice it and realizes it's not gonna happen. The official taste test. Oh my. Oh my god. Mmm.
Carson.
Oh wow.
John.
I did not think this cake was gonna be this good. I was hoping it would be, but I didn't realize.
Stop right here.
Oh my gosh. So many flavors. Sorry about my TV being loud. We're watching Ash vs. Evil Dead. And I ain't about to turn it down for this video.
Well,
Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna have me another piece. Mmm. So good. So good. I know it doesn't look that pretty, but it tastes beautiful.